And the story is new this morning. A Scott County judge has denied TikTok's motion to dismiss a lawsuit filed by Kentucky Attorney General Russell Coleman, clearing the way for the case to move toward trial.
The court ruled TikTok's design, marketing, and business practices were directed at Kentucky users and therefore fall under the court's jurisdiction. The judge also rejected the company's arguments for dismissal, saying the Commonwealth presented sufficient evidence that TikTok intentionally designed its platform to exploit developmental vulnerabilities in young users, failed to properly address access to child sexual abuse material, and misrepresented its content moderation and safety features. Coleman filed the lawsuit in 2024, accusing TikTok of targeting and addicting minors for profit. The Attorney General called the ruling a critical victory in the state's effort to hold the company accountable.